Using the Xero Verify app is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Search for Xero Verify in either the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Download and install the app on your smartphone. Log in to your Xero account through a web browser. Do not attempt to set up MFA using the Xero accounting app. Click on your initials or profile picture in the top right corner. Select Account from the menu. Under Additional Security, click Setup next to Multi-Factor Authentication. Choose Xero Verify as the authenticator app. If you haven't already installed it, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. Follow the on-screen instructions within Xero to link your Xero account with the Xero Verify app. This might involve scanning a QR code displayed on your screen. Once you've set up Xero Verify, enter your email address and password on the Xero login page as usual. You will receive a notification on your smartphone through the Xero Verify app. Approve the notification on your phone to successfully log in to Xero.